Hi there, my name is Miss Sarka and we're going to talk about how we use the site Pixlr Editor. Pixlr Editor is an online tool for powerful photo editing, and in this video we'll go over some basic tools on how to use it. First, you're going to go to pixlr.com at the top of this screen, which opens the main Pixlr website. Then you're going to click Open Photo and go to your photos from your computer and choose whatever image you'd like. So I'm choosing my lizard. So since you opened your own image from your computer, next you are going to browse the menu bar. This is the bar that runs along the top of the page. File is where you'll find file-related options such as save, open, close, and print. And then edit contains editing options such as cut, paste, undo, and select all. Image is where you'll find options to rotate, flip, crop, and resize. Layer is, for example, if you have one photo opened on top of another, you'll have two layers. Adjustment has options related to the image's composition and appearance, including exposure, color balance, and levels. Filter is where you'll find the color and lighting filters such as glamour, glow, and sharpen. Language allows you to change the menu's language. Help if you need support. Font if you plan to type on your image. This is where you'll find a selection of fonts to choose from. And then you can check out the toolbar. The toolbar is the icon panel that runs along the left side of the page. Each of these icons represent a different tool you can use to edit your image. As well as you can try the Navigator panel. It's the first box titled Navigator running along the right side of the page. If you don't see this panel, click the View menu at the top of the page, then click Navigator. You can also work with layers in the Layer panel, which is the second panel on the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, click the View menu. To create a new layer, click the small sheet of paper with a downturned corner at the bottom of the panel. Click a layer's name to work on that layer. Every layer has a checkbox to the right of its name. To delete a layer, click its name in the panel, then click the trash icon at the panel's bottom. To manage the changes you've made in the History panel, it's on the right side of the screen below the Layers panel. If you don't see it, click the View menu at the top of the page, then select History. This displays a list of every editing action you've taken on this project. This is very helpful in determining which actions to replicate or which actions to roll back while reviewing your edited picture. So what I would like you guys to do is kind of just mess around with this site, get the hang of it. So for example, I would like you to crop or rotate your picture, whichever you would like. So I'm going to rotate mine so the lizard is standing upright. And then I'm going to also crop it. Let's try this one. Okay. And then I'd also like you to adjust it however you would like to your picture. You can change the vibrance to it. So see, it's not as red anymore. Or the saturation. I turned it kind of gray. I like it that way. The temperature of the picture, the tint, any way you would like it. Brightness, exposure, and the contrast. Just kind of mess with all of them and see how you like the picture the best. Okay, and then click OK. And then next, I want you to mess with the effects. You can change it to black and white, which I kind of like that. Or any of these that you would like. And then I would like you to add text to it. So see how this comes up? You can, let's see, put 2 in there. So if you want to delete something, put it in the trash. And you could change the font to whatever font you would like. like that one. The size, it's a little big. Or the color of it. You can move it wherever you'd like. Let's do a lighter color. Whatever you'd like. Just mess with it. And this, you can add another image if you would like to. I'm not going to do it on here. But if you would like to, you could do layers, add 2 images together. Whatever you would like. You can also fill it like this. That's zooming in. It's very zoomed in. So just kind of play with it.